The science of reading refers to the vast body of evidence from the accumulation of scientifically based research about how we learn to read. This evidence underscores two broad components that are crucial to successful reading development: word recognition and language comprehension. Sounds simple, right? If we take a closer look at the skills that make up a successful reader, the picture becomes a little more complex. One influential representation of this idea can be found in Scarborough's reading rope. Scarborough's reading rope shows us each of the specific strands that make up word recognition and language comprehension, and the ways that these components are interwoven over time. The components that make up language comprehension are background knowledge, vocabulary, language structures, verbal reasoning and inference, and literacy knowledge. These components represent the strategic elements of reading. Word recognition consists of phonological awareness, decoding, and sight recognition of familiar words. As these strands become tighter, reading becomes increasingly more strategic and automatic until we see a skilled and fluent reader. Built on the science of reading, Lexia Core 5 promotes the acquisition of word recognition and language comprehension skills. Just as the strands of Scarborough's reading rope are interconnected, the components required for word recognition and language comprehension are woven into Core 5's 6 skill areas. Core 5 explicitly builds the components of word recognition through phonological awareness, phonics, and fluency activities. Vocabulary and verbal reasoning skills are refined through vocabulary and structural analysis activities. Core 5's comprehension activities further build language comprehension through explicit teaching focused on language structures, background knowledge, and literacy knowledge. By harnessing the science of reading and the principles of Scarborough's reading rope, Lexia Core 5 reading provides explicit, systematic, and personalized support, enabling students to focus on the skills they need the most to become a proficient reader.